It's a crazy, twisted world we live in. On one hand, you want to do what's right. And on the other hand, is what corporations want. And they're treated, if not better than most people who reside within the country and who they actually serve. When it comes down to it, drug companies work for their shareholders. If you're not a shareholder, they really don't care because they make money, the shareholder makes money, and you go poor. Well, today I wanted to bring to you like a little something about the pharmaceutical company Pfizer. They're one of the biggest pharmaceutical companies here in America and around the world. They have subsidiaries around the world that make drugs that push them into every single, social economic level out there. And in a lot of cases, they're pretty devastating in what they do. They say they test them. They say they're done their due diligence, but they don't really care. But today, I want to focus on the death penalty. Pfizer, in their infinite wisdom, has decided that they will no longer sell, and they have refused to sell to this point any of the drugs that are used in lethal injection to actually condemn and put to death an inmate who has been sentenced to die. They make 3 of the top 4 drugs that are used in putting an inmate to death. Here is Pfizer's actual statement. Pfizer makes its products to enhance and save the lives of the patients we serve. Pfizer strongly objects to the use of its products as lethal injections for capital punishment. End quote. That's funny when you think about it, ladies and gentlemen. Pfizer, since 1990, has taken over $100 billion in tax credits from the United States government. $100 billion. You didn't hear that wrong. And most recently, Pfizer said that 40 plus of their top selling drugs, the prices are going to increase because they must now offer them out on the market for those who are receiving medical coverage through a government subsidized plan. That's right. They won't sell the drugs to actually kill you directly on death row, but they will bankrupt your ass just as fast. Oh, and let's not forget about the opioid crisis that Pfizer was involved in at the same time.